वजीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आया को बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
To the participants and to the resilient people of Karachi who are going to come visit this exhibition. Okay. I've been asked to request the diplomats to urge the countries to participate next year. And inshallah ta'ala, I'm sure Iran will definitely participate, I can say without saying, and next year this inshallah, the My Karachi event, 19th event will be held in 2024, and we would like to see many more countries participating in this, and I'm sure when your exhibitors come here, this city is has a population of 25 million plus. This province has a population of 65 million plus people. And Pakistan's population, I don't know, the last we counted was 220, it's almost 300 million people. The opportunities are huge. Please come to Pakistan, exhibit here, and I'm sure you'll find a very large market. So once again, grateful to the organizers for inviting me here, grateful to the participants, and wish the exhibitors a very, very productive My Karachi Expo 2023. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.